Welcome to Arrifana, Aljezur Council, Western Algarve, and today I'm showing you this amazing villa with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, built in 2005, located on the first line of Arrifana beach, which is absolutely fantastic. The villa is of 125 square meters of living area inside and about 630 square meters of the plot. We are about 40 minutes to Lagos, about 1 hour 40 minutes to Faro, and about 3 hours to Lisbon. Architecturally, this is one of the traditional constructions, so it's a traditional Portuguese villa. But of course, the main feature will be the views and location. Firstline, absolutely stunning vista of Atlantic Ocean and the Costa Vicentina. 5 minutes to Arrifana beach by foot, which is something. And of course, this property would be very special because of tightly controlled environment of what can be built in a national park. In my point of view, this is a perfect house for a holiday or for somebody to want to live here permanently. But if you want to take it to the maximum potential, I think this should be an amazing house. So welcome inside. Let me explain the layout of this property. On the top floor, or where we enter, we have a cozy living area. Then we have separate kitchen with a dining, a bedroom and a bathroom. Everything facing south with better views because it's a high level. Here on the ground level, or on minus level, which is completely standalone, we have more or less identical situation except plus 1 more bedrooms. So 2 bedrooms here, dining and living sort of together, and then we have kitchen. And here the beauty is we have access to the south-facing large terrace with a very large swimming pool. In terms of feature, this property have pretty much standard stuff like double glazing, central heating. You can see the list in the description below. Thank you for taking this video tour with us. In my point of view, this is absolutely amazing properties. It's one-off. There will be no more in this area. Walking distance to the beach, absolutely stunning sea views. We are the edge of the Europe. So I think the new owner can give this property a new chapter of his life and unlock its full potential. And on that note, please subscribe to our channel and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.